Hello from southern Utah. We're at Coral Pink Sand Dunes State Park and we're gonna do a dirty little day hike here. It is beautiful. It's not very long. 2 and a bit kilometers. It starts this way. Bunch of people boarding down the dunes. Looks like more people walking back up than boarding down. Given up trying to follow the green trail line on all trails because there's not really a trail and just open sand dunes everywhere. I think the trail actually ends up there somewhere. But we're just gonna walk because this is beautiful. Just hung out here for a little bit and threw the drone up a little, and now we're going to start heading our way back that way. Stupid. Nothing in there. It's dumb. We're just following our footsteps back, and I don't remember coming down that hill that we now have to walk back up. You're so fast, and you're not even wearing shoes. Marathon. Oh, is that the stink beetle? And we're done.